Hi, I'm Penny from SmartFinancial. Let's talk about why insurance companies have been leaving California and Florida. Over the past year, major property and casualty insurance carriers like State Farm, Allstate, and Farmers have either stopped writing new policies in states like California and Florida or canceled existing policies and withdrawn from the states altogether. These two states have historically been prone to natural disasters, but climate change has resulted in more intense damages from California wildfires and Florida hurricanes. In addition, inflation has resulted in higher rebuilding and repair costs, meaning claims are now more costly than before. On top of this, prices are rising for reinsurance, a type of coverage insurance companies purchase to protect themselves from major losses amid a large volume of claims. In some cases, the state governments have rejected insurers' requests to raise their customers' rates, leaving the companies with few resources to handle large amounts of expensive claims. If your insurance company has left your state and canceled your policy, you can always receive coverage from a government-instituted insurer of last resort, such as the California Fair Plan or Florida's Citizens Property Insurance. However, these insurance plans typically come with limited coverage and may even be more expensive than policies from the private market. If you're struggling to find affordable coverage, let SmartFinancial help you find the right policy for your property. Click the link in the description box below for a free home or auto insurance quote.